Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the March-April Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life comes out every other month. It is geared towards our pocket page scrapbookers. It's also great for traveler's notebooks or if you do memory keeping in a planner. It also coordinates with our Flavors of the Month kit, so it's perfect to add paper and embellishments to it. Or if you want more to go with your Shots of Life, then be sure to check out the Flavor of the Month and the 3 add-on kits. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. Starting with our papers for the Shots of Life, this month everything is 12 by 12 sheets with cut aparts. So that means you're going to get a full patterned background, so you can still use it for traditional scrapbooking. So first up with 49th and Market, Toddler Time, we have this cut apart that has some 4x6 and 3x4s, and of course all of those cute little kids that we saw in the collection. It's just gorgeous. The back is kind of a citron yellowish green grid design with a star, a full branding strip here. Echo Park, Lucky Charm, you have the 3x4 cut aparts. So lots of little images and fun things to document St. Patty's Day. We also have this little journaling block here. You could use these like this for even photo mats. The back is a stripe with multicolors. Echo Park Blossoms and Bees is the 4x6 cut apart. So again, we have this great one that's for journaling. You could journal in here. You could also put some little photos. That's a great title card for a page as well as that one. The back is a multicolored plaid. Then we have Sweetest Honey 2 from Photoplay Paper, this sweet, adorable bee collection, along with one little lone gnome. Have a sweet day. Home. Home is where your honey is. Buzzing by to say hello. You are so sweet. This is just an adorable collection. I love the honeycomb. It's stitched golden yellow. We have Cartabella's Sweet Garden, which is the 3x4 cut aparts. If I'm honest, I have to tell you I still read fairy tales and I like them best of all, and that sums me up. The Story of You and Me, a pink, it's a two-tone pink stripe. Gorgeous. And then On the Farm from Cartabella. This is a really fun farm collection. Usually they're bright primary colors. This one plays on the softer side, and I just love it. It's just a whimsical farm collection, so I really like it. I love you a bushel and a peck. The definition of a farm kid. The back is a blue striped. Then we have This Happy Life from Photoplay Paper, which has all of these great just little quotes. I love this one. Don't talk to me, I'm journaling. Who else is just like, you got to be alone to journal? Book Lovers Club, It's Okay to Be Who You Are. Not too much panic, not enough disco. So there's lots of things you can use that. Love the guest check. The back is this orange floral print. That paper is called It Happened. And then we have Simple Story, Simple Vintage Flower Shop, which is this beautiful spring collection. I love having like the 2x2s. They're a lot of fun to use. And then we have 4x4. Gorgeous camera with all of the layered embellishments. The back is another beautiful bouquet of wildflowers. So one more look at your cut aparts and patterned papers. And pick it up there. Oops. Okay, so that's your cut aparts for your Shots of Life. Now let's look at all of the embellishments. For the embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety. So for 49th and Market Toddler Time, you're going to get one of the laser cuts. So this will be a fourth of the package. So these will vary among the kits. But I got some beautiful florals and then this big little cluster piece here, some little dogs, super cute. For Echo Park Blossoms and Bees, you will get the chipboard pieces, so everyone will get the same on these. For Echo Park Lucky Charm, you're going to get some enamel dots that are green. These are from Echo Park. It'll be half a package. And for Photoplay Sweetest Honey 2, you're going to get a third a pack of these little birdie stickers. And these are adorable. So I got little bumblebees and a hive and flowers. So I'm not sure what the whole sheet looks like, but that's what I got. Super adorable. For Cartabella's Sweet Garden, you're going to get some chipboard pieces. So these are the ones that I received. Super pretty. For Cartabella on the Farm, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary as well. And then for Photo Play, this Happy Life, you're going to get some pink enamel dots. So it'll be half a package like this. And then for the Simple Vintage Floral Shop from Simple Stories, you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. And you're also going to get a third a pack of the floral bits. So all of those will vary. Everything will vary except for this chipboard sheet. So that's a look at all of the embellishments for your Shots of Life. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month and the add-ons. I'll have links here at the end. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog for more inspiration and challenges and fun, sketches, all kinds of things going on. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.